Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Before we even get into this video, I just want to give a special thank you to all of the new subscribers. I see y'all. I just want to say thank you for deciding to subscribe and stick around and become a part of my YouTube family. And to all my A1s from day one, of course, you guys know I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for always holding it down, always supporting me, and always showing love in the comments. Now let's get into this video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a patio refresh. I really want to do some brunches for the month of July because if you guys did not know, hubby and I's anniversary and so many firsts happen in July. So we literally celebrate the entire month of July. So I'm just going to be getting the patio together because I really want to show him some love and appreciation because he has been taking me out almost every single day. So I want to do some brunches. So I'm going to make sure that the patio is nice and clean before we actually put food and stuff out on the patio. I have been dealing with this weed situation with my patio for years now, and I have no idea what to do because no matter what I do, these weeds bust through. I don't know what it is. They are gangster, okay? I'm literally at this point just ready to just get a new patio. But of course, we all know that that's not going to happen right now because we have other plans, bigger plans that I'm going to take you guys along on later on down. So until then, let's just go ahead and weed the patio. My husband's going to deal with the yard. He's going to do the lawning. So I'm just going to leave that to him and just focus more on the patio. Have you guys been dealing with a over influx of bees and wasps? If so, what are some of the things that you guys are using to make sure that they stay away? Because we have so much bees and wasps around. Sitting outside and actually enjoying the outside has become a pain. We've waited so long for some warm weather because literally it has been raining almost the entire summer. Like we did not have summer at all in Germany, at least I can say we didn't. So any little bit of warm weather we do take advantage of. But what are the things that you guys are using or you can recommend for keeping bees away? I was using the vinegar and essential oil, but that's just not working anymore. I think they got used to the smell and now it's just not working anymore. If you guys have any recommendations, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'm really considering purchasing or DIYing a small shed for our garden tools because we just have them stuck in the corner there and it just doesn't look good. Either that or I'm gonna have to try to build or buy a little privacy screen to put in the front of that because I just hate seeing that little corner. I don't know about you, but I just hate seeing that corner. But until then, let's just go ahead and clean up the area. I've noticed that my wall gets a lot of cobwebs on it no matter how much I clean it. Like I literally can clean this every day and no matter what, spiders and webs come back that very same day. So I'm just going to be cleaning down the patio door from the outside, because the inside is always cleaned. It's a little harder to keep the outside clean, but I'm just going to be dusting that down and then cleaning it down once again with some of that vinegar, because I'm just trying my best to put smells out there that the bees don't like so they don't come around, but that's just not working as much as it used to. Like I said, maybe they got used to it, I don't know. But I'm just going to be cleaning everything down because, like I said, I want to do some brunches out here, and maybe I'll take you guys along with a video of how I prepare brunch for hubby and I. But I really want to do a few brunches outside on the patio. I just think that would be perfect. So that's why we're getting this patio together, because I just really want to, you know, enjoy a little bit of the summer, because we didn't get to enjoy much of it. Talking about not enjoying much of the summer, it is almost fall, y'all. Can y'all believe that? It is almost fall. Soon we'll be out of the month of July, and then August, and then it's going to be fall. Like, where is the year going? But have you guys started prepping for your fall? Have you started buying things for fall? I've noticed that a lot of fall videos are coming out, but here in Germany, we don't have no fall stuff out yet. So I don't know if we're behind or it's just not important. But I've been loving the fall videos that I've been seeing. I mean, we still are like in the middle of July, but I've been loving the fall stuff that I've been seeing so far. So have you guys started prepping for fall this yet, or is it just the girls on YouTube? We've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little patio refresh, this little patio clean with me. I went ahead and relocated the dining table on the patio because you guys know, if you watched my previous patio videos, this side is usually where we have the sitting area, but I bought the dining table closer to the door so it would be easier for me when I'm serving the food or bringing the food out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you have not as yet. And I will see y'all in my next video, which just might be a brunch video or, you know, something of that sort. I'm just saying. So until then, see y'all in the next one. Choose.